I'm in the hot tub. Got me a White Claw. It's a white girl with me, huh? Here comes Brandon in 3, 2. You have to play my song because I'm vlogging. Maybe I'll use it. Maybe. I thought you're not allowed to drink on the internet. Okay, your girl just came back from the post office, as well as she has a class in 15 minutes. And pretty successful day. I got a big ass package. I think I know what it is. I got this really cute box of makeup. And wigs from a brand that we'll also go through in a second, and that's my breakfast. But yeah. So does it work? Kinda. And this makeup, I think I should open it one by one to show you guys. But I have a class in 5 minutes. The watch is wrong.
Many hours later.
Say McWeary time weary. Why?
McWeary time weary. Do I have to pause this? Is this like copyright? Is this a copyright infringement? Hi you guys. So today I got a different wig. Where is it? There she is, and it's black. And I'm gonna install it because, you know, I haven't done just like a natural black in a while, and I think black looks good on me. I don't have like a tripod or anything as of right now, so I'm balancing it on a cup, and if it falls, my camera is fucked. I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so first I glue this onto my actual head. Wait. So to make this dry faster, you can actually just use a hair dryer, which, should I do that? Oh, I forgot to mention that I cut little holes on the ears of this to like kind of help it like sit while the glue dries, and yeah, it just really helps a lot. Now once that dries, you want to cut around here. I want to use these big ass scissors. I don't think you should do that too because it's not safe. Yeah, and this is where we are, and we could just kind of fix this up more. I'm gonna grab the smaller scissors. Be careful though, and do that. There to kind of hold it down, and from this step I'm gonna grab some powder and make it more skin tony. And you want to put where you're gonna have your parting when you put your wig on. And this is not as perfect as I'd like it to be, but honestly it doesn't have to be perfect because you can fix it. I'm like new to this. I don't really know what I'm supposed to be saying to the camera, and I also know that I should be looking here instead of there, which I find myself doing because I'm looking at myself. But yeah, I don't really know what to say, and I feel like people just want to see what I be doing and like not what I be saying. And it's like, what do I talk about? I could like talk about like same shit I talk about with my friends, but then that would just be me shit talking half the time. That's not true. That's a lie. I recently learned to start like cutting the lace into 3 so that when I glue it on, it's like much easier to maneuver. I always cut the like ear part, like the ends here, before I put it on my head because I don't want to cut like my ears off. Okay, so I'm actually just a liar, I guess, because I actually cut this whole part off. But hopefully... Now we're at the glue part. Grab your wig glue. Put that shit on the edges. So when I applied the wig glue, I applied it on the very edge of the pantyhose, whatever the fuck this is. And I actually want like as less like wig glue on my skin as possible, and that's why, so that when I remove my wig at the end of the day, it's not like pulling on my fucking real like hair on my face. I'm gonna do this in the mirror. And this is where I am.
Many unbearable hours later.
Would you believe me if I said it's been actually like 2 hours and my battery died, so I had to be charging it this whole time? Yeah. But anyways, I put the wig on and let's just fix the edges and then start our makeup. I'm home alone. You know what that means? Oh my god, this is still recording? I completely forgot, but this is kind of what I got so far. I don't know, I think it's kind of cute, and I haven't really done anything with the hair yet, so it will look cuter in due time. This could be better, for sure. I should probably pluck. I could fix it. But that's pretty good for a me. But yeah, this is what I got. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, let's move on to makeup. Okay, so now makeup time. This is not a good angle. Okay, that's kind of better, but yay. Okay, no, this is good. I like this. Now it is makeup time, and I think with the hair and the makeup, everything just at the end is gonna look good. Let's have one more hit before I start for motivation. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is put on a little bit of primer first, and I'm gonna use this primer. Isn't this so interesting? With every pump, it like goes up. That's so cool. I love Selena Gomez so much that yesterday, well, the day before, it's not why, but look what I got! I got this yesterday because I ran out of concealer when I was making the tutorial. And funny enough, on that tutorial, someone said I sound like Selena Gomez. And after I heard that, I was like, wait, really? And I like my voice now, I guess. Because, thank you. So I went to get, you know, went to go get the stuff. I just think she's like such a good, like, role model. Definitely, like, much better than what we, like, got. Then after primer, I'm gonna use, I'm gonna, I love her. Okay, so concealer. I picked out this concealer yesterday, and I think it's really like such a good color. I haven't had like, this was the last good concealer I had and it's run out, which is really tough, but this is like really good because I like kind of like a thick concealer that's gonna like stay there all day, and then I'll wear like a lightweight foundation. But concealer, good concealer, really good.
I'm more interested in learning about what happened in Spanish class.
Yeah, where did you fail?
That's right. I did fail, but I can explain. There I was.
Isn't she
studying
Latina?
as hard as I ever have.
How does she feel Spanish class?
Because right outside that way,
Even I
the boys were
I wasn't the best in Zulu class, but like God knows, if I didn't get an A,
I told you not
it would be like trouble at home.
Paris and those girls sparkle.
so sorry. You're failing Spanish. And we're making Spanish around the house, and we should be making our own homemade tortillas. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of work. Let's just start with the Spanish, okay? This is chow. Done. It is embarrassing. Thank you. I mean, gracias.
So I just put concealer on the parts where I'm gonna be like needing concealer. I'm not the best narrator, you guys.
Don't worry, honey. I'm gonna help you no matter what.
I'm gonna contour. And when I contour, I like to mix my contour with a little bit of blush because it kind of gives it like a, like more of like a, I don't know, like a warmish thing to it.
And whatever pocket elf you want, they come shooting out.
And I don't like, this is like the most contour I probably do because like I have a button nose, I guess. Is that what it is? A button nose? I don't even have a nose. Look at, like, literally look at this. My one friend in middle school said to me once, and I'll never forget because I tell people this still to this day. She said to me once that her and her mom were talking and like they saw me in the like tossing once, like in school, I guess, when they were getting picked up. We were getting picked up. And she said that her mom said, "How does Uppy breathe with the nose that flat?" I'll never forget because she came to school the next day, the girl, and told me. I was like, okay. But honestly, I love my nose. So this is actually a package I got from... Oh, it's a package from Flower Nose, and they have like a bunch of like really such cute make. Look at this. Look at this. Look how pretty that is. And that glitter I already used. It is so good. And just like the best thing about it is like, hello, look at that. Oh my god. And that, look at that. It's so pretty. See, stuff like this makes me love being a girl. At this point, I'd realized that my vlog was going on to 15 minutes, so I'm breaking it into at least 3 parts. Sing it to me now. When I walk in.